To submit a score for a Gorilla Tag match, first, please ensure you're a designated referee and your role has been approved on the Final Field website. Then, log in to Final Field site, press on Submit Score item. You need to fill in this form to submit the match result. Choose the two teams that competed. Team A and Team B. Select the players who played for each team. Next, select how many rounds were played. Then, enter the scores for each round. Here we enter the score in minutes and seconds. And, select the winner of each round. Continue on for the other rounds. Finally, hit the Submit button. Now the score has been recorded. You may go to the leaderboard to view the result. Here, you can see the score that we just entered for Team Go Gorillas. Click on the team name to view the details. This is the team page. Here you can view the team info and stats, team members, as well as their latest matches. Here's the match result that we just entered.